Welcome to my favorite exercise on bulletproofing the elbow. There are 3 keys to getting started. Number 1, you're gonna grip the dumbbell with an offset grip so that more of the weight is that way. Number 2, your wrist is gonna be cocked and it's gonna stay that way throughout. And number 3, your elbow is gonna rest on your lower rib cage for strictness. You're gonna start by curling the weight up. Once it's here, you're gonna spin your grip around. Notice the wrist stays cocked. Now, what do we have? More weight here pulling us this way. Most people at first will not even be able to achieve a fully straight wrist this way. This allows us to develop 2 things. There's a muscle underneath the bicep and there's a muscle here, which we'll look at images of. Those 2 help decelerate the elbow. So you're not just gonna let it break you down. You have to be able to control. Then, without any change to those 3 positions, spin it back around and curl it back up. It's easier to get it up with a regular curl than it is to get it down with a reverse curl. So this is allowing us to overload the way up and then overload the way down to a maximum. And you're gonna get 5 reps per arm. Most people will have to start around 6.25% of your body weight, but I would like you to build this up to 12.5% of your body weight for best elbow bulletproofing. Consider that the most injurious thing, for example, that causes elbow injuries, which elbow surgeries are actually in epidemic levels in youth baseball, the same way we're seeing knee surgeries in something like basketball, because they're trying, if you look at your body like a skeleton, it's like you're trying to throw these bones and pull them off the elbow. And then we're not training the muscles that slow that process down. So this is your protection of your elbow. And you will also see many people have had results even for things just like overuse from pushing and pressing or too much underhanded curls and not being as strong comparatively on the way down. So this helps a lot of things with your elbow. This is the best way I found to train the decelerators of the elbow. And just like the concept, the stronger you are backwards, the more protected you are forwards, well, the stronger you are on the way down for your elbow, the more protected you are when you stress your elbow.